SFC ships from China and provides one-stop global distribution services. We cover all order fulfillment links from front-end order management to the last-mile delivery. SFC integrates the best technology and the most professional team, making the job of e-commerce fulfillment easier. Let us handle order fulfillment while you grow your business. Let's learn about the SFC China Fulfillment work scene together. Receiving. SFC can collect goods from different high-quality suppliers for customers and realize inventory and order fulfillment. 30 days of free storage for new customers. Quality inspection. Check the quantity and quality of products when entering the warehouse to ensure zero damage before leaving the warehouse and reduce after-sales work. Products on shelves. The SFC WMS system seamlessly manages your products. The inventory is updated in real time, and the cost details are clear at a glance. Sync orders to fulfill and ship. Tracking data will be updated automatically. Packaging and assembly. SFC provides customers with personalized value-added services. Support split or merge shipments to reduce the cost of packing and shipping. Configure box sizes and customized packing to help customers upgrade their brands. Sorting. SFC uses fully automated sorting equipment and has high assembly line operation efficiency. The maximum daily processing capacity is 500,000 orders with 24-hour delivery speed. Shipping. SFC e-commerce door-to-door shipping routes cover more than 200 countries and regions. Even during the peak sales season, the delivery time is not affected.